Hello student, today I will teach the chapter number 3, respect your parents. Respect means you know the meaning of respect, to give them love. Okay. I am saying that your book has written that respect your parents, but remember, always you respect your elders. Whoever your elders, remember, always you respect them. Yeah, your home parents, yeah, your teacher, school teacher, tuition teacher, yeah, uncles, auntie, your neighbor, anywhere. Okay, yeah, grandpa, grandma, whoever, you always try to give them respect. Okay, now our book, the chapter number 3, it has written that respect your parents. Why we give respect to them? Remember the students, respect is the best way to give love them. Okay, to love. So your attitude, everything, love. If you love them, that means that is for respect. Okay, remember your parents, they always try to give you whatever you need. Whatever your need, your parents always try to give you. Just you think, you are studying the good school, okay, your father always give to best things, whatever your school has needed. Means if you want a good school bag, a good pencil box, good bag, so whatever you need, if you say to your father will bring from market. And mother, what she does from morning, she will get up and she also cook your tiffin, everything. She always ready to you. Okay. Afterwards, again, whenever you return home, your mother is ready to give your lunch, dinner, your homework, everything. Your mother watch it. Okay. Always take care of you. You don't know your parents how much they sacrifice for you. Okay. So it is the good way you always respect them. Now the question is coming. So what will respect? What is the respect? Okay. Means, dear, you think, suppose your mother is coming and something you did wrong and your mother scolded you. So what to do? You also scold her? No. You will say sorry. No, we do like this. But maximum students you will see, they also quarrel with mother. I am saying don't do like this. You also respect her and you say sorry, we will not do again. And whatever your mother will say, you follow that one. Remember, mother loves is you will not get anywhere. If it is home, father is a mountain, but then also mother, you think that is the sea. Sea, you have seen a lot of water. That things also same as it is. Your mother has too much love. That love will never give anybody. Your friend's mother also will not love like that. Whatever your mothers will love. So many sacrifice there for you. Okay. now you are the, I think somebody 8 years or 9 years older. So these 9 years, how much they have struggles to grow up. Still now they are also sacrificed. Okay. So who will sacrifice? Nobody. Your neighbor will not sacrifice for you, but your parents always sacrifice. Okay, children, you think I'm saying one story. Suppose you are going on the road. Yeah, you and your friends are playing in the ground. That football you are playing, and beside that, one man is sitting there. Okay. After that, whenever that football, suppose you are playing football, that football went to the outside. Yeah, one road that any lorry, yeah, anything came and that football has busted. But that person has watched. Okay. So if you say him, uncle, our football has burst, you please give us. So that person will not give to you. But if you say to your father, our ball has lost, yeah, our ball has burst, so please bring for us a new ball. Next day we will play. Okay. So you will see your father next day will bring. But that person did not bring. Okay. So this is the difference. Father and other also. Parents always will support you. Just you think your mother how much she sacrificed. She always thinks. She always say to you, check your homework, do your homework, complete your syllabus, do study, everything take care of your mother. If your mother will not say, so many students are there, so many children are there, they will not open their book. What the teacher had taught, leave it. School, after the school, went home, sleep. Okay. But your father, your parents, sorry, not father, parents will say, if they not say, so many children will not study. Okay. So my dear students, today I taught of this one. Next day I will teach one story. Okay, how to give the respect your students. Respect your parents. Okay, and obviously I feel questions and answer I will give. You will write. Clear? I hope everybody understood today's class, and I hope everybody will now from today's those I am saying every students, every children. I know that you always respect your parents, and those who not still today onwards I am saying still today those who did not respect properly, from today onwards you will try. You will always respect your parents, and don't quarrel with them. Don't say loudly. Okay. If your mother will scold, don't say loudly. Okay. You listen your parents' words. I hope everybody will follow my words. Okay. So my dear, thank you.